Hi, so today I want to give you an exercise that will support releasing anxiety. In Chinese medicine, when we think of anxiety, we think of that as an issue with the heart. This can be when we are feeling stressed, we're feeling overwhelmed, we get anxious. That's a sign that the heart is out of balance and the qi is out of balance. So we want to make sure we can support that. So there's a few ways we can do that, and one way is with sound. The sound we would make for the heart is ha. It's a straight tone, just the letters H-A. If we did it fast, it would be ha ha ha, it would be laughter, which is another way to support your heart. But we're going to make it as a straight tone to release the tension that's built up in the heart. So the sound is like this. Ha. Doing it for a full exhalation. So we're going to do a little movement with that sound. So I'm going to invite you to bring your fingertips to your breastbone. Make sure you have a nice upright posture, so you're feeling nice and strong, and you can do this seated as well, but make sure you're nice and upright. And we're going to do an opening movement as we make the sound, as if opening the chest to release that stress, release that anxiety, and then fill that with beautiful healing light. So let's do this movement together. Take a breath in and make the sound. Ha. Inhale. Ha. Good. Inhale. Ha. Ha. Feel that resonance in the heart as you make the sound. Ha. That'll help break up the tension and stress. Ha. A couple more times. Ha. Ha. Breathing in, and just rest your hands over your heart. A little pause here over the heart. Smile to your heart. Then we're going to invite you to slowly drop your hands down towards your abdomen. Take a few deep breaths. It's a way of honoring yourself and supporting yourself. And then let your hands drop down by your sides. And we're going to take this into another movement, and this is called Earth Qigong. So we're going to let the energy of the earth rise up through us, release that tension, and then send it down to strengthen the roots beneath your feet. When you're feeling more grounded and more rooted, you have a stronger sense of self, and you get out of this sense of anxiety. So let your hands rest on your thighs. I'm going to invite you to take a breath in, and you're going to sink down in your knees as your hands float up to the heart. As you exhale, dropping the hands down. Inhale, as if drawing energy up from the bottom of the feet to fill the heart. Exhale and release that tension down through the body and out through your feet, as if creating golden roots beneath your feet to strengthen that connection with the earth. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Breathing in as if pulling energy up from the earth to the crown of your head, and then you let it flow back down out of your feet to strengthen the roots beneath your feet. Inhale and exhale. Good. Breathing in and exhale. Inhale, filling up. Exhale, dropping down, and one more time. Inhale and exhale. Good. Breathing in and out. Filling up with qi as if coming up from the bottom of the feet to the crown of your head, and then let it flow back down to strengthen the roots beneath your feet. Inhale and exhale. Let's do that a couple more times. Breathing in and out. Inhale, sink. As the hands rise, exhales, hands drop, and you get nice and tall. And just take a few moments to breathe here. You can always do that one a lot longer. That's giving you a sense of that because it helps to connect you more with the earth, bringing you out of that tension and bringing more vitality into the heart. So let's just take a moment just to take some more deep breaths. A little smile here. Just notice if you're feeling a little more calm. So I really hope that helps. Have a wonderful day. Take care.